Hello everyone, my name is Kush and I belong to Jaipur, Rajasthan and I'm 25 years of age. I came to know about car cosmetics detailing course via Google and I was very passionate about learning car detailing, PPF and different types of codes. And the team is very professional here, direct to the point, polite, and especially Hardik sir, Rohit sir, and Raj sir and the entire car coordinating team. And my experience here was flawless, no doubts, every myth busted, every doubt answered, and I totally enjoyed this course. And I highly recommend to everyone who wants to get into this field. Thank you.
Hi, myself, I am Avinash and I am from Telangana. And I have a passion to do detailing. So I have searched many places in YouTube. All I found this is the best to learn the detailing. So I have contacted car cosmetic and I have basic this training in car cosmetic at Surat. And after coming here, I have not learned many things that are glass restoration and water detailing and then ceramic coating. Rajat has taught me very well and Hardik Bhai and Rohit Bhai also taught every step by step to do the work.